Hi guys, for Tuesday and Thursday's math, you're going to be working on problems that have to do with measurement, that have to do with measurement capacity. And we're going to be working with it in the customary units of measure that we've done before. I'm going to show you, remember we did this gallon G, and it's cup, cup, pint, cup, cup, pint, and then that makes up a quart. You have 4 quarts that make up the whole gallon. The additional thing that I want you to remember is that there are 8 ounces in a cup. Those are liquid ounces, not weight ounces. Remember that there are 8 fluid ounces in a cup, in every cup. So this would be 8, 8, if you were going to count for this, for the pints. All right, so I'm going to show you some of your questions are going to ask you to convert measurements within the customary units of capacity. So let's say that I want to go 36 quarts and I want to convert that to how many cups that is. Okay, so I'm going to start out. Remember, we started out with a T-chart and we started out with, well, there are, if we want to do cups here and quarts here, how many cups are in a quart? We know that quarts are bigger. So there are, let's go back to our little guy just so that you can see. This is 1 quart and you can count there are 4 quarts. So, or I'm sorry, 4 cups. 4 cups in 1 quart. So if I have 2 quarts, I'm going to have 8 cups, etc., etc. And if I keep going down and I get to 36, I can multiply that by 4. And 36 by 4, or 36 times 4, let's go ahead and multiply that out. That's 24. And then 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And that's 144 cups. So that would be my answer. 36 quarts is 144 cups. So you will just click on the form that I've attached here. Let's close that out. You'll click on this form. You're going to click duplicate it, and then you'll submit it with your answers. Don't forget to click turn in at the end. Okay? Thank you.